The portable projector market is getting more competitive every year, but every now and then a device arrives that genuinely feels different. The XGIMI MoGo 3 Pro is one of those products that instantly grabs attention because it combines portability, smart features, premium design, and impressive performance into one compact package. Right away, the first thing you notice is how modern and clean the design looks. It feels more like a high-end smart home gadget than a traditional projector. The compact size makes it incredibly easy to carry around, which means you can move it from room to room or take it outdoors without any hassle. Whether you're planning a movie night, gaming session, or just relaxing with YouTube videos, this projector adapts to almost any environment. The adjustable stand is one of the smartest parts of the design. Instead of struggling to position the projector correctly, you can simply tilt it toward the wall or ceiling in seconds. That flexibility completely changes the experience because setup becomes quick, simple, and stress-free. Powering on the MoGo 3 Pro feels smooth and polished. The interface is fast, responsive, and easy to navigate. Streaming apps open quickly, menus feel fluid, and everything works together in a way that feels refined. A lot of portable projectors struggle with slow software, but this one delivers a much more premium experience. Picture quality is where this projector really shines. The full HD resolution looks sharp and detailed, while the colors appear rich and vibrant. Watching movies on a larger projected screen instantly creates a more cinematic atmosphere compared to watching on a standard TV or laptop display. Even casual content looks better on a massive screen. Sports feel more immersive, gaming becomes more exciting, and movies gain that theater-style feeling that makes everything more enjoyable. The contrast and clarity are surprisingly good for a projector this compact. One feature that makes daily use incredibly convenient is the intelligent autofocus and keystone correction system. The projector automatically adjusts the image within seconds after placement, ensuring everything looks sharp and aligned without requiring manual tweaking. That small detail saves time and makes the overall experience feel seamless. Sound quality is another area where the MoGo 3 Pro performs better than expected. Portable projectors often sacrifice audio quality, but the built-in speakers here deliver clear vocals, decent bass, and enough volume to comfortably fill a room. For casual viewing sessions, you probably won't even feel the need to connect external speakers. The portability factor is honestly one of the biggest reasons why this projector stands out. You can easily take it outdoors for backyard movie nights, bring it on trips, or move it around your house whenever you want a different viewing setup. It's designed for convenience, and that makes it much more practical for everyday use. Gaming on the MoGo 3 Pro is also surprisingly entertaining. Connecting a console instantly creates a huge display experience that feels far more immersive than smaller screens. Racing games, sports games, and open-world adventures especially look fantastic on a large projection. Another underrated detail is the quiet fan system. Many compact projectors become distracting because of loud cooling fans, but this projector remains impressively quiet during use. That helps maintain the immersive atmosphere during movies and late-night viewing sessions. The included creative optical filter also adds extra value to the overall package. It's a unique addition that gives users more creative ways to enjoy the projector while making the bundle feel even more premium. What makes the XGIMI MoGo 3 Pro special is the balance it delivers. It combines portability, strong visuals, quality audio, smart features, and user-friendly setup into one device that feels genuinely enjoyable to use every day. This isn't just a projector you use once and forget about. It's the kind of gadget that naturally becomes part of your entertainment setup because of how easy and versatile it is. Of course, larger home theater projectors still exist for people who want maximum brightness and permanent installations, but that's not the purpose of the MoGo 3 Pro. This device focuses on delivering a premium entertainment experience in a compact form that you can use almost anywhere. And honestly, it does that extremely well. Hi guys! If you want to buy this XGIMI MoGo 3 Pro new portable projector with the free creative optical filter worth $49.99, then make sure to visit the link provided in the description below. For anyone looking for a stylish, portable, and feature-packed projector, this might easily be one of the best options available right now.